Okay guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. Today what I'm gonna make for you guys, I'm gonna make beetroot and carrot juice. Beetroot and carrot juice. So here we got 6 carrot, we got 1 beetroot. So guys, that's the amount of beetroot I'm gonna use 1 beetroot, it's very strong, 5 carrots. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do first. We're gonna cut this up and then we're gonna put some water to warm up, then we're gonna add it to the water and cook it first. So right now guys, as you can see, I'm cutting up the carrots. Beetroot, guys, that's the beetroot and the carrot right there. So I'm gonna put it into the boiling water. So here guys, as you can see, I had about 3 cups of water. So what I'm gonna do, the water is now boiling up, so I'm gonna add the carrot and beetroot. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna let that cook for 10 minutes, let it cool, and then I blend it. So I'm gonna let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes guys. That's it. So now guys, 15 minutes has passed. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna let it cool for a couple minutes. Then afterward, then I'm gonna blend it. So as you can see, finished boil it. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna throw it in the blender with the water, everything I'm throwing in the blender. Then next up guys, I'm gonna add probably 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Also gonna add half teaspoon the almond essence. Also gonna add little cinnamon powder, probably half teaspoon. Gonna also add a allspice nutmeg, half nutmeg, and some coronation milk and some sweet condensed milk. I'm also gonna use this too guys, it's optional. You could use a Guinness stout, a Jagan stout, but I'm gonna use this mix to go with it. Combine it together and then we'll blend it. So now guys, I'm gonna blend it now. All done blending guys, so I'm gonna pour it over a nice, that guy, lovely carrot juice with beetroot. Check it out. This is my Sunday dinner, some curry chicken with some white rice. Look at that guys, some curry chicken with some white rice. Look at that guys, looking lovely. Looking lovely. Remember to like, subscribe and share for more video guys.